For this sum, we will use expansion a plus b plus c square, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 in bracket ab plus bc plus ca. Here a is 2a, b is 3b and c is minus 4c. Okay, 2a plus 3b minus 4c square equals to 2a square plus 3b square plus minus 4c square plus 2 in bracket 2a into 3b plus 3b into minus 4c plus 2a into minus 4c. Now square of 2a is 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square plus 2 in bracket, here 2 into 3 is 6ab plus minus minus 12bc and here also minus 8ac. Okay, so finally we will have 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 24bc minus 16ac.